Now see the question number 15. A string of length 20 cm and linear mass density 0.4 gram per centimeter is fixed at both ends and is kept under a tension of 60 Newton. Now a wave pulse is produced at t equal to 0 near an end as shown in the figure, which travels towards the other end. In the first part of the question, they are asking when will the string have the shape shown in the figure again, and in the B part, sketch the shape of the string at a time half of that found in part A. As given in the problem, this pulse at t equal to 0 is traveling along rightward direction. Let us suppose this is the incident wave pulse. So this incident wave pulse, while traveling along rightward direction, after some time it will strike the fixed end. And so the reflected wave, which is traveling along leftward direction, will get inverted with respect to the original wave. It means that the reflected wave will be inverted. And the concept here is that if a wave or wave pulse hits a fixed point, this is the fixed point at the boundary of the material it is moving through, then the reflected wave gets its amplitude flips. Okay, here amplitude is upward, so its amplitude here will be downward. Its amplitude will flip. Now this wave pulse will travel along leftward. Again it will strike this fixed point. So again, now suppose this is the incident one. So this incident one will strike here and the reflected one will get inverted. The distance between the two fixed support or length of the string is given as 20 centimeter, or it is 0.2 meter. Linear mass density of the string is given as 0.4 gram per centimeter. Now let's convert into kg per meter. So this is 10 to the power minus 3 kg divided by 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So it will become 0.04 kg per meter. Now calculate the speed of the pulse. So as we know that speed of a pulse or wave on a string is given by root over tension in the string divided by linear mass density of the string. Tension in the string is given in the question and it is given as 60 Newton. So 60 divided by linear mass density, and we got here 0.04. So if we will solve this, it will come out 20 meter per second. Now come to the diagram again. So the distance between the two support is 0.2 meter. So let us suppose this separation is x. So this will be equal to 0.2 minus x meter. Again this distance will be x, and the total is, this total distance is 0.2 meter. Now let's see the total distance covered by the wave pulse from this situation to this situation. So the total distance is 0.2 minus x plus 0.2 and plus x, and we know that total distance is equal to speed into time. And what is the total distance from the diagram? 0.2 minus x plus 0.2 plus x equal to v into t. And what is v we got? V we got 20 into t. From here if we will calculate, then t will come out, x will cancel out x, so t will come out 0.02 second. In the second part of the question, we have to draw the sketch of the shape of the string at a time half of that found in part A. So first see, t dash equal to t by 2. and it is equal to 0.02 by 2. This is equal to 0.01 second. So first see where will be our pulse at this instant. So in 0.02 second, the total distance covered by the wave pulse is 0.4 meter. So in 0.01 second, the wave pulse will cover a distance of half of that in part A, that is it will cover 0.2 meter. So 0.2 meter from here, from this location, this is 0.2 minus x again. So this is again what? So this distance is again our x. So the pulse will be at this location at 0.01 second. So this will be the shape of the string at t equal to 0.01 second, or the pulse will be at this location at 0.01 second, and the pulse will be here at t equal to 0.02 second. And so this is